Hi friends, this video is in response to one of our viewers who says he's been struggling with double unders for the last 10 months. I hope this video helps him and many others. I have drawn these reference lines on this video for the purpose of explanation. The horizontal lines are at my knee level and the vertical lines are boundaries outside which my wrist should not go. We take off when the rope crosses below our knee. Taking off when the rope crosses below our knee. The first pass of the rope is when we are jumping up and the second pass is when we are coming down. Also, notice that we aren't kicking our legs forward. Another important thing is our body is straight toe to head except for a slight bend in our knees, which is for the cushioning. Coming to the spins, the first spin is faster than the second spin. The second spin actually spins around us more from the energy of the first spin. Finally, the wrist. When we are learning double unders, our wrist will have a tendency to fly away from the body. Consciously keep it close to the body. You will notice that our wrist is not going outside the wrist boundary line. Now let's watch this double unders in real time. Enjoy your jumps. Take care. Bye-bye.